One Buster here, adventure biker. So I'm just out scribbling my new front tyre that I've got. Yes, I'm just out scribbling my new tyre in. So what I've did is because I recently just got the Mitas Enduro Trail Pluses on, or the E07 Pluses. I got a new back tyre on. I've replaced the front. I'm going to run these set in, and then this is getting changed to the Mitas EDV2s. So I've now got my front facing camera, or my rider facing camera. I've just got my point of view camera on. I'm also trying out a pair of goggles as well. They're not the motocross style goggles, they're just like a pair of glasses. I'm trying them out since I don't want to really spend 40 quid on a new inner sun. Yeah, so goggles, I've got a pair of just glass goggles on just now. Something just kind of distracted me there. And the reason why is because I don't really want to buy a sun visor, an inner sun visor for this helmet, because I'd seen a helmet that I like, and it's one of my subscribers, Joe's got it, and I actually like the colour of his helmet actually. Motorcycle helmet that is. So I was going to buy one of them, but I think what my plan is I'm going to buy a matte black or a carbon Scorpion ADF 9000, and that will be for when I buy the black Africa Twin. And what I'll do is I'll take the visors off it and the inner sun visor, and that'll be spares for this red, white and blue ADF 9000, because that's going to be my trail helmet, which then I'll buy a pair of goggles for, like a pair of motocross goggles to go with that helmet. So that's the reason why I'm just trying these wee goggles out just now. They're just cheap ones out of Amazon. Cheapos out of Amazon, just because I don't know, I don't mind riding with my visor down, but I prefer days like this riding with my visors up, and it saves me getting dusts and flies in my eyes. So we'll see how they go. I get 4 of them for 11 quid or something, so we'll see how they go. So what else has been happening? Yeah, so the bike's been in, it's got a new front tyre. I'm just scrubbing it in, as I said. Typical. It was meant to be raining all this week, and I put my bike in thinking I'll get it on Friday. Aye, fuck, I missed my bike. I put it in Saturday night. I was having withdrawal symptoms come Sunday. So I don't know if you've noticed my bar that I've got on. that's the best thing I ever did, was move my sat nav, my phone up there. Better than trying to look down here all the time, it's directly right there in front of you. And the reason why I don't use my TFT screen that often is I need to sort out my Bluetooth, because if I'm in a mesh group it doesn't work, it cuts out, so I just I need to sort that out. The way it's worked out as well, it looks like it could only be me that's going to Europe at the end of August. The two boys are still not 100% decided yet, so we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Some personal things have happened, so my brother Stephen can't go. So at this point it's just me. It's just me. That bike shop featured in Fast Track Gus's video the other day. Fucking melt. Fucking melt. My bike feels dead nice and tight. New front tyre chain's been adjusted. So what I'll do is I'll get the link of this and I'll put that up on the description of this video. I'll put a link of the goggles on as well, not that anybody be interested in them. It's just basically as I said, it's just a kind of a stopgap just now until I sort out my other helmet. Yeah, so I've seen a lot of videos on the APR. And to be fair, I'm actually quite sick of watching them now. I don't know. It's just like all the YouTube channels have pretty much done the same video on the ABR. That's why I never really did one when I was there. I never walked about with my camera or anything. And I know quite a few people that are not going next year, but me and Scottish Biker Board kind of came back feeling as if we never done as much as we could have done. So that's why we're going back. Des will be up. We're always up early anyway, so we'll just go down, stick our name down for a test ride. And then do a few loops of the trail. And then take it from there. And not actually start drinking until after tea time maybe. But obviously come night time I might be entertaining anyway, so that'll keep me occupied. So I'm looking forward to the ABR next year. I'm looking forward to going to Europe at the end of August. And then I'm going back over to Holland with my son at Christmas as well. So, next year, don't know what I'm doing yet, tour wise, trip wise. I've not made my mind up yet. I'm thinking about Luxembourg again, and I think quite a few of the boys that were at the motovlogger weekend, and I met up at the ABR way, I think they're interested in going to Luxembourg, so it could be another Luxembourg trip next year. Potentially, and maybe another trip as well somewhere else. Yes, this is just me filling you in what's been happening. Hope you like, subscribe and share. As I said on one of my posts on Facebook, don't worry about hitting the bell. Some of the channels I follow, I don't have the bell clicked either. We're just trying to get these subs up, please. Remember to keep rubber side down. Take life 1 mile at a time. I'll catch you later.